what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another WESTO angling video. There's a little trend here. I like to do my intros in the car because when I get to the fishing spots, I usually like to just start fishing right away. So we're about there. We are fishing for river smallmouth today, ladies and gentlemen, with a possible bonus walleye. Hopefully we can have a little smallie smackdown. So I'll catch you guys out on the water. Now let's get to fishing. Alrighty, y'all, we made it. We're gonna start off with the Whopper plopper. Oh, guys, I got hit right away. First cast, it's a good sign. If we can get on a Whopper plopper bite, it'd be awesome. There's one. Got one, guys. Got one. That's a solid one, too. That feels good. Yes, sir. On the Whopper plopper. That was my fourth cast. Yes. All right, we can't lose it. I'm notorious for losing fish here, so we got to land this guy. Yes, dude. Come here, baby. Oh, yeah, that's so much fun. There we go. Just an absolute blast. That guy ate the Whopper plopper? Are you kidding me? Little smallie. We'll get him released here. Look at the little guy. Super hard fighters. Thanks, buddy. Oh, there he goes. Off like a bullet. We're on the bite I wanted. A Whopper plopper bite. This is the 75 size. 75 size works better for the smallmouth, as you may know, because they have smaller mouths. Oh, guys, I just got hit again. Oh my gosh. Woohoo. Yes, sir. Oh, got one. Another one. Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go. Don't jump. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Is it a little better? I don't know. It's hard to tell sometimes. A little better. Yes, sir. Oh, that's a pretty fish. All right, guys, there we go. Second one of the day. Look at the markings on that thing. Just so pretty. Back you go. Woo! Yo, let's go. That's 2 fish in the first 10 minutes on the Whopper plopper, guys. This is so much fun. Let's keep casting. We're on again. This one feels a little better. Oh yeah, that's a better one. No, a little bit. Woo! Come here. Come here. Oh yeah, holy cow. Oh, there we go. Thank you. It's a little butterball. Come back. Guys, I have a new friend. You want to see him? Hey, Leo, what's going on, buddy? Leo's pretty cute. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, he's just chilling. Huh? You want to go back to your home? No? Come on, Leo. Leo. Okay, well. You want to just come hang out? Leo's just hanging out with me. Oh, there he goes. All right. See you, buddy. All right, guys, we have 3 fish in the first, 10 minutes. On the Whopper plopper. Absolutely crazy. Other. Hey, there you go. Heck yeah. Oh, there's another one. It just inhaled. Oh my gosh. So much fun. I know, right? I haven't had a topwater bite like this here all year. God, they fight hard. It's a Whopper plopper. All right. Oh, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Just smoking the Whopper plopper. Nice. Another Iowa River smallmouth. Just absolutely awesome. All right, back you go. They are smoking this thing. It's insane. Like, so crazy. And this is so much fun. There's another one. Oh my gosh. This is a lot smaller. Oh, he's fighting like a little weirdo. Just a tiny guy. Get over here. Just a wee, wait. Oh, that's a largemouth. That's a large, you guys. I didn't even know there were a largemouth in here. That's wild. Okay, I'll take that. A frickin' largie. There we go. A river largemouth. All right, there we go. Woo! You just never know where these fish are hanging out. Maybe some are in here. Oh, guys, I just got hit. I just got hit. That was the first time in about 20 minutes. That's a good sign. They still somewhat want this, I guess. He's hooked on to something over there. Oh, there's one. There's one. Finally. Finally. Oh, yeah. Is that a decent one? Feels decent. Dude, smallies just fight so hard, it's hard to tell. Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo. He's all right. Oh, he came off. Are you kidding me? Okay, well, that's all right. That's right, quick release, right? There we go. Nice one. I almost just doubled up with you. There's one way out there. Way out there. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Hope my GoPro battery doesn't die. Won't. Oh, yeah. Decent one. Decent one. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Come on. Stay pinned. Don't. No, he's jumping. Okay. Woo! Come on. Come here. Come on. Nope. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. This is a solid one, guys. Stay down. Stay down. Come here. God, they fight hard, dude. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yep, good one. Yes, sir. Real good one. No, stay. Gosh. They always want to jump. Stay. Yeah, guys, that's a good one. man, it feels so good in the shade over here. It feels amazing. Let's see if anything's hanging out on this side. I really wish I could have gotten a release shot on that fish, because that was the biggest one yet. I was holding it in the water, talking to that one guy, and then he just shook and I accidentally let go. Give those fish down there a little break before I go back to them. Oh, no way. No way, guys. Holy crap. That was epic. That was epic. Right here, I wasn't even paying attention. Get over here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh God, I don't have my... I need my pliers for this guy. All right, here we go. We're going for it. We better catch a smallie now. Ooh, wet socks. Gotta love it. Oh. Guys, I got hit twice. Oh my gosh, I got hit again, dude. Why are they not taking it? There's a lot of them over here. There's one. There's one. Another one up here. There we go, guys. Ah, oh, it's a largemouth. That's my second largemouth of the day. Seems like the largies don't get too big in here, so there we go. See you, bud. We are done fishing for the day. It was a pretty successful day. I had so many eats on the topwater. The Whopper plopper got it done. Gosh, those guys showed up to the spot, they said probably like 20 minutes before me, and there are so many smallmouth hanging out right where that waterfall goes down. I was kind of disappointed I didn't really get a chance to fish that area, because I mean, if I was able to like toss a Ned rig in there, I would have probably caught about 5 more smallmouth. That's right though, we caught a few. Of course, I lost like 2 of them on the release, or I didn't get a release for you guys, but that's okay. Love this place. This place is awesome. Just such a beautiful place to come fish. And next time I come here, I'm gonna have to try to target some crappie and walleye as well, because most of the fish are pretty good size in here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I had an absolute blast catching some smallies today, and I will catch you guys on the next WESTO video. Peace out, everybody.